Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I really like this car. It's really one of my favorites we have right now. I love the rare color combination, yellow with the yellow deluxe interior. According to the trim tag, it was born this way. It's also a factory rally sport car, and this thing's been body off frame restored, has some nice upgrades. I'm sure you've seen the wheels already, four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, vintage air system, power steering, power brakes, full factory gauges. Like I said, a deluxe interior, power top. It's a really nice car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and that's where you find the prices of all the collector cars we have offered for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and that way you're notified as we post a new video. The top is down. Why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Like I said, it's been body off the frame restored, so everything under the car is new. The whole front end is completely rebuilt. Ball joints, bushings, springs, the steering components, tie rod ends, all been replaced. It has Bilstein gas shocks at all four corners. The rear suspension's all rebuilt. It has upgraded 3-leaf springs, again, Bilstein shocks, new bushings. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. I put a couple pictures showing the motor, where the motor mounts are. It's immaculate. Motor mounts are new. It's got a high torque starter. It has a finned aluminum oil pan that looks real nice. New flywheel cover. It's a turbo 350 automatic. The originals were power glide, so it's upgraded to a 3-speed turbo 350. It all looks fresh. Everything attached to the transmission looks like new. It has a chrome pan. The U-joints look new. It's got a 10-bolt rear end and back. I told you they upgraded it to disc. It's disc at all four wheels. The whole system has been redone. The lines, the hoses. Has a nice sounding exhaust system. It's a dual exhaust. It has a transverse muffler like they came, but this is a Flowmaster muffler. The fuel system was replaced. The tank, the straps, sending unit, the lines. I forgot to tell you, it has frame connectors too. Nice, big, sturdy frame connectors. It ties the front to the back, prevents body twists, especially in a convertible. I don't know if I forgot. I feel like I'm forgetting something underneath there, but it's practically new. The floors are all restored. It's all clean metal. Everything's painted. Everything looks nice. New bushings on the subframe. Show quality paint. The more I looked at it, because it's a light color, they could hide a lot. They don't really have to go the extra. Well, they did on this one. This thing is like a yellow mirror. It is slick and smooth all along the bottoms. And I always say that because they always bubble down here at the corners of the doors and that. But it's all smooth, really straight. The gaps are really nice. They all fit really well. No cracking. I didn't see any problem areas. Actually, I didn't see a flaw in the paint. I'm sure I missed something stupid, but there are no problem areas. This is a slick paint job. It has a spoiler, new gas cap, tail lights, and bumper. See where the reverse lights are? As part of the Rally Sport package, they're down below the bumper instead of built into the tail light. So that's correct. The stainless trim is polished like chrome. The wheels are chrome plated, torque thrust. They're 17s in front, 18s in back, new performance tires. Those wheels just sparkle. It's got a nice stance. New door handles, new window seals, new mirrors. The vent window frame here is new. The stainless around the windshield looks new. The windshield is new. New emblems, they just sparkle. The nose stripe is painted on. It is smooth to the touch. It is a rally sport, so it has the hideaway lights. They're electric motors. It has a spoiler down below. So everything is really, really nice. Correct antenna, looks new. Door jambs are painted up real slick like the car. New weather strips, new sill plates. It's a convertible top is power. It's black. It's new. Rubber weather strips are new. Now, according to the tag, it was born a yellow deluxe interior, which I think works great with the yellow exterior. I think it makes the car. Deluxe interior has the nicer upholstery and the molded door panels. All that's been replaced. Down on the floor, the carpet's replaced, has embroidered carpeted floor mats, has a complete set of GM seat belts. Actually, they're the deluxe seat belts because they have this little retractor. Carpet, I noticed, is pulled out from the kick panel on that side. It can probably be tucked in. They might have cut it a little short. It might come back out. So it has a center console with the factory gauge cluster. It's 3 gauges. They look new. The clock is working. And it has a tachometer in the dash. The whole dash area is mint. Whatever is painted nice. The knobs sparkle. The vents are new. The dash pad's new. It has a retro stereo right in the factory hole. Has a vintage air climate control panel. It looks original, but it has electric instead of old cables. Steering wheel's new. The horn button is sparkling. New visors, new mirror. So inside the car is really nice. Window cranks look new. It's a 350 motor. Beautiful in here. They did a few upgrades. But the motor itself, like I said, is fresh, has an aluminum intake with a chrome-plated Edelbrock carb, has a nice Edelbrock fuel line, braided stainless, has electric choke, has a new MSD ignition. It's a billet distributor, nice finned aluminum valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds. The whole front of the motor is real nice. It's got the March system, which is billet brackets, billet pulleys with a serpentine belt. Includes a modern billet power steering system, a billet aluminum alternator, and a mini billet aluminum AC compressor. So the front of the motor is real sharp looking. Inside the trunk, rock solid clean metal, gray and white spatter paint. It's got the shaker cans. All convertible have what they call shaker cans. There's some counterbalance weights. They're still there. The reproduction well liner, matte, and weather strip. There is a couple stains on the mat that looks like they might clean up. Does have a jack and a spare. The trunk lid and the jamb are painted real nice. Does have a wire going up to a trunk light. I don't see it on. Maybe the bulb's out. I'm not sure. So getting back in the engine compartment, then we'll start it up. It's got a big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, and aluminum water pump. So that should keep it cool. I see it's got horns, cadmium plated power brake booster, wiper motors hooked up, squirters are hooked up. It has a braided stainless dipstick tube for the transmission. So nice looking motor compartment. All the metal surfaces are smooth and painted real nicely. Okay, we're going to start it up. Dash lights are working, the light in the console works, gauges all seem to be working, tachometer, the mirror looks new. Headlights obviously open. I really like this car. I think the colors are beautiful and they're unique. Unique's not always a good thing. In this case it is, because I think it works, it's sharp. You don't see another one like it. And it's got all the great options. Air conditioned, convertible, all the goodies, and it's frame off restored. So I suggest you get to volocars.com really fast. Cars like this do not last. I gave you my impression, but you can contact the salesman on our website and they'll help answer any questions or concerns you have. They can help get it financed, get it delivered anywhere in the country. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.